Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are staying safe, cleaning your hands and staying at home if you need to. So today I'm going to be making the Dalgona coffee, and I've already started off with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and then I went ahead to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now most people are using 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, equal ratios, but personally I wanted it a little bit sweeter, so I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I added 2.5 tablespoons of water, and I started mixing my mixture. So at this point I realized that my bowl was too big and wide, so my mixer couldn't get to every part of the bowl, so I decided to change to transfer my mixture to a mug. So here I had already transferred my mixture into a mug. It was so much easier to work with the mug. You want to blend your mixture to achieve a thick consistency. You can also do this with a whisk, but it will take a lot of time and energy, so it is much easier if you use an electric mixer. So you mix until it turns somehow white cream. And this is the consistency that I had, and I was contented. I have my glass ready, poured in my milk at room temperature. You can do this with ice cubes, you can do it with hot milk. If you do not take milk, you can substitute it with water, cold water, warm water, depending on how you want it. So I'm going to add in my coffee mixture, hoping that it doesn't sink. And wow, this is beautiful. I hacked the Dalgona coffee challenge, and I hope that you try it if you haven't. And thank you so much for joining me, and until my next one, bye.